So by this formula, I will calculate the lumens output. Take this value here is equal to 9 into 200 Lx. By calculating this value, two into 0.7 into 0.6, 2 into 0.7 into 0.6, the answer is 0.84. So I will mention here 0.84 into lux level into lumens output. By this side calculation, there is 1800 . So lumens output is equal to 1800 Lx divided by 0.84. So by dividing this 2142, the lumens output is 2142. This is the standard lumens output for the required living room. So my standard luminous, the numbers of luminous is 2 numbers. The lumens output is 2142. So I need to find out the accurate luminous or the applicable luminous required for this lumen output. For that, there is the list. So by this lumen calculation, if the lumen output is 2142, I will go to this list, the lumens output. These are the standard bulbs, that is LED, CFL, regular incandescent and the halogen. If the lumens output for the particular bulb is 450, for example, if there is the LED bulb and the lumens output for the LED bulb we have calculated is 450, so we need to choose this 6 watt. And if the lumens output for the LED bulb is 800, we need to choose 9 to 10 watt LED bulb. So this is the selection as per this chart. In this drawing, we have calculated the lumens output, that is 2142. So in this list, the nearby 2142 is in between this 1600 lumens output or the 2600 lumens output. So I will choose the nearby lumens output, that is 1600. If I want to put the LED bulb into this living room, I need to choose this 13 watts LED bulb. So here I mention, so here I will choose the 13 watts LED bulb for the living room. To put the 13 watt LED bulb in a living room, I need to mention the legend, that is, so for this living room, what I will do, for this living room, here is the LED tube light, LED downlight, that is 15 watt LED tube light is there, then 10 watt to 12 watt LED downlight is there, then 8 watt to 9 watt LED downlight is there. So from this chart, I will choose the electrical LED downlight for the living room, or I will choose the 15 watt LED tube light. So my selection is 15 watt LED tube light. So I will place one tube light over here and another tube light over here on the wall. So here I have put the two 15 watt LED tube light as per this size. In the legend I have also mentioned the 15 watt LED tube light. So I have mentioned over here also two numbers 15 watt LED tube light like this. So here I have mentioned the 15 watts LED tube light. For the kitchen, I will do the same calculation, that is number of luminaires. If I want to install the one LED tube light in the kitchen, the same calculation, number of luminaires is 1. The area of application, that is 3.1 square meter. Here is 3.1 square meter. The standard lux level from the list for the kitchen is 150 LX. Maintenance factor, (3.1). Lux level is 150. Maintenance factor 0.7. Utilization factor 0.6. And the lumens output. So how to find out the lumens output? Here I will mention 1. Here I will mention 3.1. And the lux level will be 150. (0.7) into 0.6, that is 0.42. Whereas here 3.1 into 150, that is 465. So 0.42 and here 465. So by this calculation, divided by 42, so 1100, this is the lumens output we have calculated. By this lumens output, we can see that which lumens output is applicable for the bulb. So this is 1100. If I want to put the LED or the CFL or the incandescent light, so these are the standard watts I need to choose. If I am putting the LED light, so this is 13 watt I need to choose. So in the kitchen, I will choose the 13 watt one number. For that, I need to change the legend of 13 watt. I'll make the block of that 13 watt LED tube light. Then I'll select the object, pick point. Okay. So this is my 13 watt LED tube light. The standard size of 13 watt LED tube light is 900 by 25 by 35.